Hi guys, welcome to Simply Hike. Here we have the North Face Gordon Lin hoodie. So a really simple hoodie. The main feature of this is the huge Joey pouch in the front, but let's take a closer look. So starting up around the top, so we've got a decent sized hood with a really kind of fleece lining. This fleece continues throughout the inside of pretty much the entire hoodie, so that's going to keep you nice and warm and insulated. But then on the outside, it's this sort of more robust sort of matte type material. Half zip down the front, so you can open that up, sort of aerate yourself, but when it does start to get nice and cold, you can sort of zip that up all the way. But again, you can see this this lining, which is going to keep you nice and warm, trap that air against your skin. And then the main part, which is your Joey pouch, is basically the entire front section that you can access through both pockets simultaneously. It's just a big old Joey pouch, so you can fit pretty much anything inside of that. Plenty of space. You can keep your hands nice and warm. You even have a sneaky little pocket if you can reach up and around the zipper on the other side. Yeah, plenty of space to keep your hands and bits and bobs nice and warm. On the arm as well, you have a little pocket just up here, again for little bits and bobs. You can sort of stow those away out of the way, and on the cuffs you've got a bit of elastication, again just to sort of prevent the wind from flushing up there. Other than that, very simple hoodie, nothing too fancy going on the back. It's just the same material, so yeah, nice and thin but pretty warm. This is the North Face Gordon Lin hoodie. Thanks for watching and safe hiking.
These types of t-shirts will keep you comfortable on the trails all day, whether it's cold or warm. Whether it's summer or winter, you'll need a mid-layer, well, at least to begin with. In the summertime, look at getting a lightweight fleece, or as they're called, a 100-weight fleece. These types of fleeces will keep that morning chill off, but you won't overheat. In the winter, upgrade your fleece to